Okay, hello everyone. So this video will be very useful for those who are gearing up their preparation for the competitive exams. Okay, so I'm going to discuss about this very important international organizations. Okay, the purpose of these organizations are very simple. These organizations lay down a very useful platform for all the countries to form uh, partnerships with other countries and to carry on trade. And these organizations definitely help in the economy of the member countries. So let's begin with the first one, which is ASEAN, and the full form is Association of Southeast Asiatic Nations. Okay, India is not a part of this association. Okay, so let me write it down here. India is not associated with this organization, ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asiatic Nations. So when you remember that India is not a part of this association, so where's the headquarters? You need to learn all the headquarters. So the headquarters will be at Indonesia. Okay, I hope this will help you to remember this. Okay, India is not a part of this, so where is the headquarters? Indonesia. Fine. Okay, I have elongated the abbreviation, so it is Association of Southeast Asian Nations, which we read just now, ASEAN. But when we read SAARC, the word East will be eliminated and we will replace the word East with Asian. So South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, South Asian. Okay, and India is a member of it. And where is the headquarters? You need to know that. So the headquarters is at SAR. So Hindi word Sara means everything, Sara. Okay, so if we refer it as सारा सब्जी काट दो, चाहे सारा चीज़ें काट दो कुछ, तो सारा काट दो, तो फ्रॉम काट टू Kathmandu. Okay, so now we will learn about the MGC, which is Mekong Ganga Corporation, right? M for Mekong, G for Ganga, C for Corporation. You need to remember the headquarters as I told earlier. So the funny trick will be you need to refer M as McDonald's. So Mekong Ganga, McDonald, Mekong McDonald, McDonald का burger लाओ. Okay, लाओ. So the headquarters will be at Laos. It's an Asian country, right? Laos. And the full form will be Mekong Ganga Corporation. Very easy. So next we have ECO. E for economics. You need to remember the ECO. ECO is the short form of economics. So what will be the full form of this? Economic Cooperation Organization. Okay, so Economic Cooperation Organization, right? And where is the headquarters? The headquarters is at Turkey. Okay, now we learn the OPEC. So when we learn OPEC, you need to remember this, that the Hindi and the Bengali word for waiting is apeksha or apekha, right? So with this, you need to make a story that you are waiting in a petrol pump, right? So waiting means apeksha, and P for petrol pump, right? So the full form will be Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. I'm sure no one likes to wait for anything, be it petrol or be it anything. So do you like to wait? No. Nah. So headquarters is at Vienna. Okay, Vienna. Where is Vienna? In Austria. Good. So I hope no one is facing any problems. Okay. So lastly we need to learn the GCC, and it is very easy. G for Gulf, and we know the Gulf countries are in the Middle East, which deal with basically petroleum and natural gas. Okay. So in Hindi, in business, we know the term called Sauda. Okay. So from Sauda, the headquarters will be at Saudi Arabia. Right? Any problem? I don't think so. There would be any issues. So let's quickly revise. ASEAN, Association of Southeast Asiatic Nations. SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. MGC, Mekong Ganga. Eco-Economic Cooperation Organization. OPEC, Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. And GCC, Gulf Cooperation Council. Okay.